Chris, this is Dan at Tater & Son Chevrolet. You requested a video, so I'm just going to run through, do about a 2.5 to 3 minute video for you on this truck. Hope it's still light enough. You've probably seen there are probably between 31 and 34 pictures on our website. Our website being taterandsonchevy.com. You can get there. Real nice truck, 156,000 miles, leather, heated seats. It'll tell you all the equipment on our website at taterandsonchevrolet.com. Just try to get everything for you there. As far as the interior, it's very nice truck. Some surface scratches here and there on the outside. Rear interior. Nice clean door panels. Does have a spray-in liner in it. The bed is not all banged up. There's no dents that I see. Straight headboard on it. Sorry about it being a little jiggly there. Opening the tailgate. Real clean in the bed. Coming around the back side. Nice chrome wheels. You got about, I'd say 40% tire wear, or left. So I'd say the tires are worn 60% with 40% remaining, in my opinion. Dark tint, like I said, there are some surface scratches that probably aren't showing up. They don't show up. But other than that, you know, some chips on the hood from normal wear and tear of the truck is clean. I'm just going to open these two doors for you here. Passenger side. I hope this works okay for you there, Chris, where it comes out okay. Again, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but our website at taterandsonchevrolet.com, and you'll find all those pictures. Thanks. Bye.